Hello guys, in this video we'll be doing a hands-on challenge in the unit Create Reports with Report Builder. So let's look at the hands-on challenge and let's split our window with Trailhead Playground. So as we are going to create a new report, let's jump into the Reports tab. Once we are in the Reports tab, let's click on New Report. And as you can see, the report type is Leads on the left half of the screen. Let's select Leads. Click on New Report or Start Report. Let's click on Filter for All Time and refresh. So here let's add the fields State, Province and Lead Source. Once we have done that, let's refresh the page and let's save the report with the name given in the challenge, Lead Source Report. Let's copy and paste and save. So as we have done the challenge, let's see if we are successful in doing so. So let's check the challenge. It looks like we have failed the challenge, as it says we couldn't find the state province field in the report. So let's see what is the mistake we have done. Okay, we have added the state province and lead resource in the group section, as you can see in the top and the right side. So let's drag the lead source and state province to the column section below. So once we have done that, let's save the report. And now let's check if the challenge is done. If you have any questions regarding the video, let me know in the comments below. Until then, bye-bye.